What emote do you want? What's the one that you like? I thought you'd be buying this, Robster. The Flash bundle. What you want? Where is it? Below. What you want? Oh. Is that your go-to thing? I could gift it to you. I don't know, are you on here? Well, what's your... Where will I find you? Put your name. I should be friends with you. Space. Oh, okay. I'll have a gift. That's okay, my pleasure. Right, where's that? I need to go and get a cup of tea. Pop to the bathroom before I play my next game. Who is streaming at the moment? Let me put something on for a second. Actually, I know. Yeah, is Lou still playing? Yeah, she's still playing. Let's put Lou on. Alright. I'll be back in a second. Go and watch Lou. I just the little blue slippers. Hello, man.
I'm going to try OG. I've not played many games of it. Try and play just a few. Just trying to play a little bit of everything. Okay, so we're back to builds. Back to builds. Yeah, build OG doesn't go too good. Everyone's just better at building. Actually, I haven't got that turn it off. Let's see. Where should we go? I quite like Lonely Lodge. I remember landing there quite a lot in squads. But that was after season 5, or season 5 onwards. There seem to be a lot more buildings as well. What do you mean?